Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.
Well, for a long time I've had a very tight neck and tightness in my jaw. So I feel, and when I open my mouth wide, I hear a clicking sound, and there's not a lot of pain involved in my jaw, but I feel tightness in that muscle in there, and I just hear that clicking and have a less range of motion in my neck and shoulders because of my tightness there.
How long has it been going on?
Well, I've had it for many years, actually. I've had tightness in my neck for many years, and I've had,
How many years?
I've had arthritis in my neck for 25 years, and I've probably had tightness for 10 or 15 years.
What about your jaw? How long
My
do you have
jaw,
tightness?
I can't estimate, but maybe 6 or 7 years.
Okay. Did you have any accidents or trauma that started?
No accidents. I just, maybe some of it's related to overuse, because I play tennis about 3 times a week.
That's nice, yeah. Good.
It's great.
Yeah, I want you to continue doing that. That's beautiful, yeah. So, do you have headache today?
I have a headache. Right
How much from 0 to 10, and where do you feel the headache?
I would say it's at the base of my skull, and it about a 2. It's not too bad. I haven't had headaches over the years ever, and I haven't stopped doing anything over the years. I just have that tightness. And
how much you rate your tightness in your jaw and your neck?
Tightness in my neck, I would say, is on 0 to 10.
0 to 10.
Probably 5.
5.
And in my jaw, I just don't like the clicking sound. So I don't feel like it's, I mean, sometimes it's very tense, so I would say also 5. But it doesn't limit my ability to eat or do anything.
So
it doesn't hurt me there.
So you feel the tightness here or in the joint? And we can see actually your jaw on the left side is just popping out.
Yeah.
That's a clicking?
I hear the clicking when I open wide. I also hear things in my neck when I turn it certain ways. But the tightness is mostly in the muscle.
Okay.
I don't feel pain in the joint.
You don't feel pain. That's good.
But if I press it, I feel tenderness.
Tender to 10 years. Did you have any treatment for coming here?
No treatment, particularly. I try to get a massage when I can.
So you had massage?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Do you have it here?
That's a big knot right there.
Yeah. Is it too much?
No, it doesn't hurt at all.
But you said you feel a knot here too, yeah?
Well, I feel tight.
Like pulling. I can feel it.
Like tight the whole way down.
Wow.
The whole way down.
Yeah. Can you tell the difference? This is nice and smooth, and this is like a band.
Yeah.
Like a really sheet of band here.
So this is where
That's where you have the issue. And here, you feel that?
That doesn't hurt me. A little, just a tiny bit.
Let me know if it's too much, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
I heard
Line between breaking the scar tissue and causing the scar tissue or doing release. If we cause more pain, that might cause more trauma to the healthy tissue, and actually it's not going to be very helpful. So that's why I want to make sure that you feel this bump here. This is actually scar tissue.
Yeah.
It should feel like nice and smooth like this. How you feel that? It's nice and smooth. You feel this bump here? It's a scar tissue. That's from punching actually. Is what happened here.
That's where it's worse. Okay.
That's in here. Okay. What about now?
Feels good now.
You feel it or it's gone?
Do I feel my...
In your jaw. Can you feel the tightness there?
A little bit more, still a little here.
It's right.
I don't feel it on my neck right now.
Okay, so try move your neck. Tell me how you feel. Turn left and right. How that?
Big clunk.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think it's a.
Can you feel a difference in your range of motion?
I think I can see farther. Yeah.
Yeah. Can you see we have a window here?
Yeah, I can see the window.
Yeah. So sit back. Forward. Do you feel any tightness or it's gone?
I just feel the crunch when I
The
turn.
crunch, that's
Yeah,
because...
this side still has tightness in the back. Of
How
my
much
neck.
from 0 to 10?
Tightness?
Mm-hmm.
Not pain so much, but tightness 2 or 3.
Okay.
Pretty tight.
It's gonna feel cold, okay?
Okay. Right,
So,
right
right
on
in
there.
here. Okay, it's gonna feel cold. The tightness.
Better.
Do you feel tightness or it's gone?
I feel.
The sound, I don't think we have to do more work on it to
Right.
decrease that sound. That's from orthotic change because you said you have arthritis there.
So, yes, I feel much looser,
Mm-hmm.
and I still feel. You know, when you make one thing go away, then I feel something different, right?
Because you start to compare normal to abnormal.
Right.
Where do you
So
feel
now
it?
it's here, toward the back of the neck.
Right in here?
This one, yeah.
Okay,
And I think there's a big knot there.
that's true. Okay. So how much from 0 to 10 here?
Pain?
Tightness?
Oh, tightness?
Because you said, do you
Yeah,
feel pain?
I felt it. Oh, yeah, it doesn't hurt. Okay, then it starts to hurt.
Sure.
So maybe.
And to limit your range of motion because those muscles will be in, those scar tissue will be in the way.
I see.
You know, and you hear that grinding here. Right in here too. Okay, well, definitely will help.
Better, good on this side.
Mhm.
This side's still a little tight over.
Where did you feel it?
Same place as on the other side, down this type,
Right in here?
down this muscle, yeah,
Okay,
to that thing.
okay, relax. Shrug your shoulders toward you. Shrug it, shrug it, shrug it, shrug it, and relax. There we go. Shrug it, shrug it, shrug it. And relax. There we go. Shrug it. And relax. Let's try to turn your left and right.
And that's much better. I
Oh,
think.
look at this here.
That's much better.
Back and forth. Any tightness?
Well, that one, the front and back is much easier.
Mhm.
Although I can feel myself. Yeah, it's good.
So what do you think about ASTR treatment?
It's good. It works.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.